Hey guys, I'm Travis and welcome to my closet. I thought I'd try something new today and ask for you to like and subscribe at the beginning of the video. It really means a lot and it would really help me out, oh hey buddy, a lot with getting more followers and getting traction in the YouTube community. I would really appreciate it, and Gunner here would also, I think, appreciate it. So stay tuned for the review of the Louis Vuitton Monogram wallet. All right, bye. Hi, I'm Travis and welcome to my closet. Today we're going to be reviewing the Louis Vuitton Monogram wallet. This one is no longer available. They now call it the multiple wallet, but it is a very similar product in dimension and its outside appeal, or I should say appearance. This wallet I've had for years. It was my very first Louis Vuitton product. It is an amazing product and has held up very well. It was my daily use until I retired it just a couple of months ago. And I only retired it because I wanted it to stay in this good condition for a long time. Now, the one available these days is called the multi-wallet, and it has an angular piece here instead of this piece right here. It comes at an angle, and it goes in an angle the other way, so you can put some cards and stuff there. And the other big difference is, instead of having one spot for bills, it has two spots for bills. But I believe the dimensions have remained the same, which means that it's, let me check my notes, 4.5 inches by 3.5 inches and it's about a 1/2 inch thick, but that's hard to go by because once you put some stuff in here, it's going to thicken up, of course. But this has pockets here. It's got 3 pockets for your items, and it's got this pocket, which I used quite often as a temporary business card pocket. Now, when somebody gives you a business card, a lot of people take it and they kind of shove it in their pocket. But my way of showing them, hey, even if I didn't care, my way of showing them, hey, I care, I would take my wallet out, I would open it up, and I would stick it in this pocket right here, knowing that I was either going to file it later or just toss it. But it was just an easy way to show them, yeah, oh, yeah, no, like, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And it kind of leaves them with the feeling of that you're interested in their product or you're interested in their business or what have you. But it was just a life hack, I guess. Anyways, both sides have the 3 pockets and both sides have the holders. In here we have a slide pocket, and I'd put like medical cards and stuff that I didn't pull out every day or use every day, and that's in both sides. Like I said, it has held up extremely well, except for the leather trim around the sides has completely, oh, well, no, not completely come off. You can see here, it's come off the top. You can see the discoloration, and then it's come off somewhat on the sides, and it's still there on the bottom for the most part. This is a very minor problem. I was upset at first, but I had this as my daily use. Every single day this went around with me in my pocket. Everywhere I went, everything I did, it got wet, it got hot, it got cold. I am not disappointed at all with this Louis Vuitton. I am extremely satisfied with it. It is always up back on my display, and it will forever be my first Louis. And that brings me a lot of joy, because since then I have added 7 other pieces to my collection, a lot of them previously loved and some of them not. And I can't say enough about this, but it's a wallet, so I can't continue the review forever. So with that, thanks for joining me in my closet, and you guys have a good day. Bye.